Good afternoon, everybody. Starting in on topic 3. So topic 3 for 6th grade is the very beginning of our look at equations. I will be very honest with you. Some of these equations are really simplistic, and I will be very purposeful during our Google Meets or our class time that we do a few that are a little more complex. They won't be what you're tested on, but I want you to see where this is going. Because right now you're going to be doing some things that, to be perfectly honest, you can do in your head. You are bright, you're smart people. So I want to show you why we're learning the steps that we're learning. And then you're going to have to trust me a little bit that these kind of training wheels are worth it. Okay. So I'm going to ask for a little bit of your trust on that. But then you will see that it pays off. Now, this lesson, 3-1, is very vocabulary based. Okay, so we're talking about really the difference between expressions and equations. And you will remember that I said in class, okay, that the big difference is the equal sign. Okay, an equation is a mathematical sentence. Okay, an expression has been a mathematical phrase. Because these are equal on both sides. 12 times 2 is 24, which is the same value as 3 times 8, 24. That is an true equation, okay? Same value on either sign of the equal sign. Now, the equal sign has never, ever been the thing that says, oh, here's the math problem. Now here's the indication of where my answer goes. That's not what the equal sign is supposed to mean. The equal sign means that what's on each side of this is equal, or the thing is a liar. So let's look at this one, false equation. 24 and 14. Oh, that's super not the same value. Okay, you don't want me to come up to you and say, oh yeah, here's $14, you please give me 24. That's not an equal trade. Okay, when it's not equal, okay, it's a false equation. It's a liar. Okay. Now, an open sentence is an equation, and we don't know what the value is yet. We haven't proven it yet. Now, if you look at this, right, and then you come down here and look at the solution, you probably already knew what the solution was. Okay, so an open sentence is the equation. The solution is the correct number or set of numbers that would solve that mathematical sentence. And we're going to spend the rest of the chapter not so much solving, because a lot of them you could do like you did this one in your head, but proving that that's the solution. Because then when the equations get complex, you know what to do. Okay? Now, if you find an equation that isn't true, there's vocabulary for that. If you find an equation that is true, there's vocabulary for that. And then there's vocabulary for the word open sentence, although we typically just call that equation. And then solution, okay? What number or set of numbers solves it? So today's really about vocabulary and recognizing these different things, and I will see you again tomorrow.